Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW 5 Series grille. This is a straightforward upgrade that can significantly enhance your car's appearance. Before we begin, make sure you have your new grilles, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic pry tool. Working in a well-lit space will help you easily identify all the clips and ensure a smooth process. Now, let's get to removing the old grille. First, open your BMW's hood to gain clear access. You'll notice several retaining clips securing the grille in place, typically 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom, plus 2 on each side. Use your flathead screwdriver or pry tool to carefully press down on these clips while gently pulling the grille outwards. Take your time to avoid damaging the surrounding bumper. With the old grille removed, it's time to install your stylish new one. Before you insert it, take a moment to clean the grille opening to ensure a perfect fit. Carefully align the new grille's tabs with the slots in the bumper. Once aligned, apply firm, even pressure, pushing the grille into place. You should hear distinct clicks as each of the 8 clips engages, confirming a secure installation. To finish up, perform a thorough check to ensure your new grille is perfectly seated and flush with the bumper on all sides. Close the hood and step back to admire the updated look. If you encountered any resistance during removal, remember that protecting your paintwork with painter's tape is a smart precaution. Enjoy your refreshed BMW 5 Series.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.